Beautifully restored and upgraded 4-bedroom Cape Cod with large fenced yard close to fairgrounds, schools and shopping. Large living/dining room with coved ceiling and arched entrance has lots of natural light, a wood-burning fireplace, and access to the cozy screen porch. Original hardwood flooring throughout the main living area has just been completely refinished. The entire interior has been freshly painted and new light fixtures added in all rooms. Huge upper-level bedroom has new air conditioner unit. Main bath updated with new vanity, faucet and toilet. Other recent updates include, new water heater, smart garage door, stained deck, roof done within 7 years. All appliances included. Charming and cute, just waiting for its new owners.